Dear students, today we will take the topic sexually transmitted diseases. These diseases are transmitted from an abnormal person to a normal person through by sexual contact. These diseases are called venereal diseases or reproductive tract diseases. These are caused by bacteria, virus, and protozoans. These are caused by bacteria, virus, and protozoans. There are many diseases of sexually transmitted. One of them is syphilis. It is bacterial disease. It is caused by bacteria called Treponema pallidum. This syphilis is caused by a bacteria that is called Treponema pallidum. Now, how this disease is caused? It is caused by a bacteria that is called Treponema pallidum. Now, methods of transmission. What are the methods of transmission? The infection spreads through sexual contact to a healthy person from an infected person. For example, if a person is suffering from the syphilis, a normal person goes to him and gets intercourse with him, he gets infection. Infection also spreads through common underwear and infected toilet articles. This means that the infection also is spread by the use of common commodes, soaps, underwears, brushes, toothbrushes. These toothbrushes, toothpastes. The infection is common in persons who indulge in immoral sex. These diseases found in the persons who are involved in immoral sex. That means immoral sex means the sex which is other than the marriage. This bacteria is found in genital fluid and the genital ducts. This bacteria is found in the genital fluid, semen or ovum, and the genital tract, genital ducts. That is the genital pores, genital ducts, vagina, and the penis duct of the human male. Incubation period. How long is the incubation of the period? Incubation period means the person exposed to the infection and the appearance of the symptoms. Symptoms of the disease. Symptoms. There are three stages of the syphilis. Syphilis. Appearance of chancre around the genital tract and inflammation of local lymph glands. What is the chancre? Chancre appears around the genital organs. Chancre is an ulceration without pain. This occurs around the genital organs, penis, vagina, etc. Stage 2, chancre disappears and heals up, but there appears a lesion and rashes on the skin. When chancre disappears, there appears a lesion, cyst-like structure, and rashes on the skin appears. And it also occurs loss of hair, inflammation of joints, periodic attacks of fever and sweating. Periodic attacks of fever means attacks of fever occurs after definite periods after equal intervals of time. For example, if it occurs in the morning, at the morning time fever, next day it will also occur the fever in the morning time. Or if occurs during the sleeping time, next day it will also occur at the sleeping time. And sweating, it also, the symptoms also are in stage 2, thus it causes sweating. Stage 3, the chronic ulcers appear on the nose. In third stage, what happens? There appears ulcers on the nose, palate of the mouth, lower leg, damage to the brain damages brain, paralysis occurs, damage to heart damage occurs, impairment of aortic arteries. It affects the aorta of the heart also, which causes death. It causes death when it affects the aortic arteries. This pulmonary artery or aorta. These are called aortic arches. Diagnosis and treatment. Disease is diagnosed by clinical symptoms and microscopic examination of the body fluid. What is done to detect this disease clinically? The fluid of the body is taken is uh, and is examined in the clinical laboratory. Disease can be diagnosed by detection of antibodies by ELISA test. This disease is also detected by the detection of antibodies by doing the ELISA test. Disease can be treated by antibiotics like penicillin and tetracycline. This disease can be also this disease is cured by penicillin and tetracycline antibiotic drugs. That is all about the syphilis. Thank you.